Hi everyone, Vanessa here, and I'm here to do the reading for today's prayer. So sit back, relax, and listen to today's prayer. And today's prayer is, she is more precious than rubies. Proverbs 3:15. So we're in Proverbs chapter 3. We're gonna look for verse 15, and it says here, wisdom is more precious than rubies. Nothing you desire can compare to her. Okay? This ends today's prayer, and I will say this in closing. Dear Lord, please send prayer to those in need. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new content. Please be blessed. Take care. Be safe. See you here tomorrow for another today's prayer. And I'm sending my love and prayers to you all. Bye bye for now.